Hey guys, it's Brittany. So before we dive into all the makeup tips, we first need to do an important step known as skincare. So I'm going to talk you through Skincare 101 on how to properly layer each of your skincare products so you have a beautiful canvas to work off of. Because having hydrated, moisturized skin is truly a key to creating a beautiful makeup application. So let's begin. Step one is to cleanse your skin. So I use a deep clean pore cleanser every day. If I have a lot of makeup on, I will use a cleansing oil, like this Boscia one. And then twice a week, just to make sure I get any dead skin cells off, I'll use a exfoliant like this one. So next step is using some toner. You can apply this with a cleansing pad, or I just like to use my hands and just press it into your face. This helps balance out your skin's pH levels. Next up is an essence. You want to use a few drops. It's a similar consistency as a toner. This is very popular in K-beauty, so it's not necessary, but it helps all the other products that you're using live and work to its fullest potential. So if you do have any problematic areas, the next step is to use some spot treatment if you'd like, or I like to use these pads that have 2% salicylic acid and just wipe around the areas that you break out in. So next step is using a serum. You just need a few drops. And the serum's purpose is to deliver powerful ingredients directly into your skin. Sometimes it's a little bit sticky, but only lasts for a few minutes. And again, you want to pat it in. If you want to use tanning oil drops, I'd recommend using these at night or in the morning if you feel comfortable, and these would be done after your serum. After that, you want to use an eye cream. I'm almost done with this one, so you can hardly read the label. This is from Dermalogica, and you're gonna be careful because the skin underneath your eyes is very sensitive. So you just want to pat. The second to last step is your moisturizer. So you just need a little bit, and then I like to warm it in between my hands. Again, just be gentle with your face. And the last step is sunscreen. It's important to find one that goes on really nicely to your skin and doesn't feel crumbly, because if you start feeling that, that means once you put on the foundation and the bronzer, it's gonna start crumbling on your face, which is no good. So this one I love, it's a Tizo one. But again, some people are sensitive to some brands, so just find one that works for you. And those are all the steps for a proper skincare routine. Don't get overwhelmed if you don't have that many steps in your routine, or if you don't have a routine right now at all. That's okay. That's why I'm here, and this is a perfect time in your life to find a routine that works for you. I highly suggest going to see a dermatologist so they can properly analyze your skin and recommend products that are going to be best for you. But sometimes it's a little bit of trial and error, so it's best to start this sooner than later and then just follow the steps on how to layer them, and then you'll be all set with a hydrated canvas to now do your makeup. I will talk to you soon. Bye!